Welcome to HeatSign. Today, we will show you how to use our dual laser marking machine to mark logos and QR codes on leather. First, rotate the emergency stop switch and turn on the machine. Insert the USB drive to import the logo. Then, adjust the spacing and set the parameters. Next, create the QR code, adjust the size, and set the marking parameters. Ensure you select the Blu-ray. It is ideal for leather engraving. Securely place the leather on the workbench and press the Start button. The laser will precisely mark the logo and QR code. Here's the result: a clear, scannable QR code, efficiently and permanently marked. Contact us today to request a free sample test.